Today I'm going to show you how to change the color of anything in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your Object Selection tool. Under the mode, select Lasso. Now, create a loose selection around the tomatoes. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the layer. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon, and create a Hue and Saturation. Click on the Clip to Layer icon. You can choose whatever color you like. I'm going to select that. I'm going to increase the saturation. Go back to Adjustment Layer icon, and create a Selective Color. Click on the Clip to Layer icon. From the drop-down, select the reds. I'll make the cyan, plus 20%, and yellow, plus 5%. Select yellows. The cyan, plus 65%, and yellow, minus 50%. Go back to Adjustment Layer icon, and choose the Vibrance. Click on the Clip to Layer icon. I'll make the Vibrance, plus 60, and the Saturation, plus 10. Then close Properties window. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.